Welcome to today's session. In this tutorial, we will explore how to combine multiple arrays by grouping elements based on their positions. This is useful when handling tabular data or merging datasets. Let's get started. We need a function that takes multiple arrays and groups the elements by index. If some arrays are shorter, the missing value should be replaced with undefined. This function first determines the longest array length, then creates a new array that's of that size. It maps through each input array, collecting elements at the same index into subarrays. If an array is shorter, it contributes undefined for missing values. The function first determines the longest array's length, ensuring the resulting array has enough space. Then, it iterates over indexes, pulling values from each array into a grouped format. The table shows how input arrays transform into grouped arrays. If an input array is shorter, the missing values are replaced with undefined. This technique is useful in real-world applications, like handling CSV data, structuring API responses, or merging datasets in a predictable format. In summary, this function is a simple but powerful tool for structuring data. It is efficient and widely applicable in various programming scenarios. Thank you for following along. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.